Will TurboLearn help you in 2026? In a world where information overload is constant, students and lifelong learners are turning to AI tools to keep up. One of the names getting a lot of buzz in 2026 is TurboLearn AI, a platform that claims it can transform how you study, retain information faster, and level up your academic performance. But the real question is, does TurboLearn actually help, or is it just more hype? Let's break it down. First, what is TurboLearn AI? At its core, TurboLearn is an AI-powered study and learning assistant. The idea is that you can feed the platform anything you want to learn: class notes, textbooks, lecture slides, PDFs, and TurboLearn will turn all of that into digestible, structured study material. You can ask it to summarize content, generate flashcards, explain concepts in simple language, or even create quizzes to test your understanding. One of the biggest strengths of TurboLearn is how it handles natural language interaction. Instead of just dumping text and hoping for a useful summary, you can ask questions like you would with a tutor. Explain this in simpler terms. Give me a 5-point quiz on this. Give me a 5-point quiz on this. Give me a 5-point quiz on this chapter, or compare these two concepts side by side. That makes studying feel more conversational and less like reading a textbook. Another strong point is TurboLearn's content organization. When you upload multiple files or notes, the platform automatically categorizes topics, identifies key ideas, and links related concepts. This is especially helpful for students juggling different subjects or preparing for comprehensive exams. Rather than bouncing between textbooks and notes, everything you need is organized under one virtual roof. TurboLearn also offers custom study plans. Based on your goals, whether preparing for a midterm, learning a new language, or mastering a technical subject, the system can generate a recommended curriculum with a timeline, recommended tasks, and periodic reviews. This kind of guided structure is something many learners struggle to build on their own, and TurboLearn puts it front and center. However, it's not all perfect. One limitation that users often point out is context depth. Because TurboLearn works by analyzing uploaded content, the quality of its explanations and quizzes depends heavily on the material you give it. If your source notes are incomplete, vague, or poorly structured, the AI may produce summaries that are equally shallow. In other words, TurboLearn accelerates learning, but only if the base material is solid to begin with. Another point to consider is learning style. TurboLearn excels at generating summaries, flashcards, and tests, but it's not as strong in multimodal learning, meaning it doesn't yet offer much beyond text and simple audio. For learners who thrive on video, interactive simulations, or visual mind maps, TurboLearn may feel limited compared to some dedicated platforms that integrate those formats more deeply. User experience in 2026 also shows mixed feedback on complexity. Beginners generally find the interface easy to navigate, but power users who want advanced customization sometimes report a steeper learning curve. Features like custom prompt crafting, tailored curriculum tweaking, or exporting to third-party apps require a bit more exploration before you get fluent with the system. Performance and integration are another important area. TurboLearn syncs with cloud storage, supports a variety of file formats, and works across devices. This means you can start a study session on your laptop and continue on your tablet or phone without losing progress. That kind of flexibility is increasingly expected in 2026, and TurboLearn delivers reasonably well here. So, will TurboLearn AI help you in 2026? The honest answer is yes, if you use it the right way. It's not a magic shortcut to learning without effort, but it does provide a powerful framework for organizing content, clarifying complex topics, and reinforcing memory through structured review. For students, lifelong learners, and anyone who engages with high volumes of information, TurboLearn can save time and help focus energy where it matters most. If your study challenges are mostly about understanding dense material quickly, handling multiple subjects, or preparing for big exams, TurboLearn's strengths align well with those needs. If you require multimedia learning paths or highly visual interactive tools, you might want to complement TurboLearn with other specialized resources. In short, TurboLearn AI is a solid and evolving study companion for 2026, not a replacement for discipline and effort, but a powerful assistant that can shape how you learn. If this review helped you decide whether TurboLearn is worth trying, leave a like and subscribe for more honest AI tool breakdowns. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest study challenge right now? Organization, retention, or understanding? Stay smart, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.